Hello, friends. Welcome to Healthify with Dr. Niyati with another episode of how to increase our immunity. Healthify with Dr. Niyati is a YouTube channel and also WhatsApp groups. If you like this channel, don't forget to tell your friends and your family. Do subscribe for the channel. Also, don't forget to press the notification bell icon. If you have any comments and questions, you can leave them in the comment box and I will answer them. Today is immunity part 2, what to do in the seasons and how to keep your immunity high. So we know that in India, we have the summer, monsoons and the winter. So according to that, there are certain things which you can do in order to increase your immunity. So starting with Chaitra Shuddha Pratipada or the new year Gudi Padwa that comes in somewhere in March or April as soon as the warm season starts. So according to Ayurveda, Chaitra, Vaishakh, Jyeshtha and Ashad are the 4 hot months in which the Vasanta Rutu and the Grishma Rutu. Vasanta Rutu is the heat starts and Grishma in which the heat really increases. Now, all of us know that in the beginning of Vasanta Rutu, Chaitra Shuddha Pratipada, in many parts of our country, we eat a chutney that is made out of neem leaves. A chutney made out of neem leaves is eaten only on Chaitra Shuddha Pratipada. But Ayurveda says that is wrong. Don't just eat the chutney on the first day. But Chaitra, Vaishakh, Jyeshtha, Ashad, all these 4 months, eat just one leaf of a neem tree. Just one leaf, chew it and eat it. In most of the cities, most of the flower markets, you can get the neem leaves. In villages, there are neem trees from which you can get a fresh leaf. So just chew it and eat it for these 4 months. You can chew it anytime from morning to night, anytime. Mornings are suitable because then you can drink water, warm water or something because it's bitter. So the aftertaste will go away. Now, after these 4 months are over, comes Shravan, that is the rainy season. We know that in monsoons, most of the people have joint pains, and if there is a beginning of arthritis, it usually is in the monsoons. So in monsoon, you take a pinch of dry ginger powder, a pinch of dry ginger powder with a pinch of jaggery, just a pinch, and a little bit of ghee to bind it all together to make a small pill. It's a very tiny pill. You swallow it with hot water or hot tea or hot coffee, whatever you're going to have. Just one pill in the day with a pinch of dry ginger or shunthi powder, as we say, pinch of dry ginger powder with a little bit of jaggery and a little bit of ghee to make the pill. This you will take for the 4 monsoon months. Now, after the monsoon months are over, comes winter. And these are the 2 Rutus, Hemanta Rutu and Shishir Rutu, when the winter just begins and the winter really goes to its peak. Now, in these 4 months, as you know, in the market, amlas are very easily available. Chyawanprash is available in the market. But Chyawanprash has a lot of sugar, which we are today unable to digest. Luckily, sugar-free Chyawanprash is available, so you could take that. Or the best way is to take 1 teaspoon of amla juice. Only 1 teaspoon. Now, how do you do it? Just grate 1 amla and squeeze it in a cloth and you will get the juice. 1 amla usually gives about 2 teaspoons of juice, depending on the size. So it could be 1 amla could be enough for 2 people in the house. But don't take a shortcut. Try to make fresh amla juice every day. So this 1 teaspoon, if you feel it's too sour for you, you can put it in a little bit of water and drink it. So those 4 winter months, if you take the 1 teaspoon of amla juice, all these things help in boosting your immunity. So in the summer months, 1 neem leaf to be chewed. In the monsoons, you take suntha powder or dry ginger powder with jaggery and ghee, make a small pill and have that. And in the winter 4 months, you will have 1 teaspoon of amla juice. These are the remedies that are given in the Ayurvedic texts to increase your immunity. So keep your daily routine excellent. Try to eat homemade hot food at all times. Avoid all the food that is available outside in the form of samosas, vadas and things like that. Carry fruit with you or dry fruits and try to eat that food. Don't forget to tell us how you like this video. leave your comment in the comment box. It boosts us and makes us make better videos for you. If you have any queries or questions, do ask them. If you would like to join the Healthify group, WhatsApp group, then leave your number in the comment box and I will add you to that group. Thank you.